Hi everyone, you're welcome back to my space, and today's tutorial we are using V-net to tie this simple head wrap. Okay, if you are interested, watch till the end and see how I create this, guys. Very simple to do. So the first thing you do is just to get your V-net, and once you've gotten it, like a yard is okay, you just fold it like this. Okay, make a hole like that, then you pull that part in, then give it this shape. I don't know, give it that shape, and you dip your hand in that same hole and go to the other part and create that same shape with it. Then secure it by knotting it like this. Okay, you need to secure it, then you do the same thing to the other part. So yes, if you notice, you see that one part is a bit shorter than the other, so you make your own shorter than the other like that. So you use your hand to shaping the circle you made. Okay, I mean that shape at the front, and you're gonna place it on your head and find a way to knot it at the back. So I'm trying to grab everything and find a way to get it secure at the back, guys. That's what I'm doing here, my people. So guys, don't forget to like, share and leave your comments in the comment section. What type of head wrap do you want me to do next? Let me know in the comment section. Okay guys, so here we are. So I'll just try to give it a knot at the back and get the excess secured. So that's all. Then we have to go back to the front and do all the adjustable. So here we are. This particular net style, you can take it I mean rock it to church. Okay, you can, on a casual dress, you can just have it and rock it out, guys. So you can see the excess, I just dip it in and get it secured. So here we are at the front. You can actually take this to the center, sideways, whichever way you want to place it. It is all nice. All right, my people. So here is the final look, guys. I'll be dropping more of it. Don't forget to like, share and leave your comment below. If you are coming across my face for the first time, this is head wrap tutorial channel. Do follow